What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. What are we doing now?
Matterhorn.
Are you ready, dude?
Yeah.
Knuckles.
Will it be faster?
Yeah, it'll be medium. You ready? Alright, I got you right here. Say hi. Are you ready, bud?
Yeah.
Hey, say we're going.
There we go.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keeping your hands, arms,
Go in there. She's gonna ask you to pull on the tab. Pull on the tab.
Thank you, bud. Thank you.
See, I told you I'm right here. Look at all the button lights.
What's that? When are we gonna go in there?
See all the buttons? That's how they control the ride. Here we go. Good, Nick, kid. What? Right here. There's the ice. There's the ice. Good, Nixon?
Yeah.
You're good. Woo! Is that the Abominable Snowman? That's it.
Oh, it wasn't that scary at all.
It wasn't that bad, right?
Yeah.
Was it scary?
Yeah, but was the Abominable Snowman in there?
Yeah, I saw him twice. Did you?
Yeah, I did.
It wasn't that scary, was it?
Yeah, but I don't want to go on this ride again.
Okay, no worries. Good job doing it.
Yeah. But next time, don't let me go.
You don't like it?
Yeah, because it was scary.
Okay, I won't let you next time.
But it was scary.
You did a good job, though.